The all-new 2026 Carry minivan pickup is here, and it completely redefines what a compact utility vehicle can do. At first glance, it may look small and simple, but don't let its size fool you. This is a highly practical, tough, and work-ready machine built for both city streets and heavy-duty commercial use. The 2026 model brings a refreshed design language with a more modern and functional approach, making it even more appealing for business owners, delivery services, and small transport needs. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Carry minivan pickup features a more refined front fascia with a bold grille design, upgraded halogen or optional LED headlights, and a stronger bumper structure that enhances durability. The boxy shape is still maintained, which is perfect for maximizing cargo space, but now it has slightly smoother edges for better aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Its compact dimensions allow it to easily navigate tight urban roads, narrow streets, and crowded markets, making it one of the most practical small commercial vehicles in its segment. Moving to performance, the 2026 Carry is expected to come with a reliable small-displacement petrol engine, tuned for efficiency and long-term durability. While it is not designed for racing or high-speed performance, it delivers consistent torque and excellent load-carrying capability. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring full control even when the vehicle is fully loaded. One of the biggest strengths of the Carry minivan pickup is its fuel efficiency, making it extremely cost-effective for daily business operations. Now let's talk about the real highlight, its practicality. The rear cargo bed is designed to handle a wide variety of loads, from construction materials to grocery supplies and delivery goods. The strong suspension system is built to carry heavy weight while maintaining stability on uneven roads. Whether you're running a small business, delivering goods, or using it for farm work, the 2026 Carry is designed to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Inside the cabin, the focus is simple yet functional. The dashboard layout is minimal, giving drivers everything they need without unnecessary complexity. You get comfortable seating for 2 or more passengers depending on configuration, durable materials that can withstand daily wear and tear, and improved storage compartments for tools and small items. The driving position is upright, giving excellent road visibility, which is very important for commercial driving in busy environments. In terms of technology, the 2026 model may include basic infotainment options such as a small touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and essential driver information systems. While it is not overloaded with luxury features, everything included is practical and useful for daily operations. Safety has also been improved in this new generation. The Carry minivan pickup now offers a stronger body structure, reinforced frame design, and essential safety features like ABS braking system, seat belts for all passengers, and improved stability control. These upgrades ensure better protection for both driver and cargo during daily use. Overall, the 2026 Carry minivan pickup is not about luxury, it's about reliability, efficiency, and maximum utility. It is the perfect partner for small business owners, delivery services, and anyone who needs a dependable work vehicle at a low operating cost. Simple, strong, and practical, this minivan pickup proves that sometimes the best tools come in small packages.